How to use AI to improve email subject lines. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to improve your email subject lines instantly. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to any AI tool you like. In my case, I'm using ChatGPT because it's fast and very accurate. Once you're inside, log into your account and open a new chat. Now take the email you want to send and copy the subject line you already wrote. Or if you don't have one yet, just type your email topic. Paste it into the chat and simply say something like, "Improve this email subject line and make it more catchy." Or, "Give me 10 high-converting subject lines for this email." ChatGPT will instantly generate multiple subject line ideas. You'll get options that are more engaging, more clickable, and perfect for improving your open rates. If you want something more specific, you can add details like, "Make it more professional," "Make it more sales-focused," "Keep it short," add urgency, curiosity. You can keep refining until you get the perfect subject line for your email. Once you're happy with it, just copy the subject line and paste it into your email editor. Super quick and super easy. That's all for the video.